Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel Not Addiction. Today we're going to do the video y'all been waiting for and go check on the Cutlass. Everybody's been so patient with the Cutlass build. Sorry it's been taking so long. A lot of stuff went on in 2019. My grandfather passed away, and then right in December, a couple weeks ago, a lady that's like my mom, she passed away. My real mom passed away when I was 11, and when I was 16, I went to live with her and her family, and she just passed away a couple weeks ago. So I've been kind of really slacking on filming and everything like that for y'all, because you know, it's just been bad time of year, Thanksgiving, Christmas. We knew she was sick, cancer got her. So sorry about that, sorry for the delay, but I appreciate everybody commenting in, asking about the Cutlass. So without further ado, we'll show you what we got so far. All right guys, so here she is. So they got pretty much all the body work done. They got the interior all covered up, try to keep some of the dust and stuff off of it. They got the glass out of it. So reason for taking the glass out is, you know, anybody can just tape up the windows, spray it, but they said they wanted to do it right. So the Cutlass especially, you got a lot of body seams right here on both sides. So they wanted to go through, fill the body seams, make sure there's no rust or anything on them. Let me go around to the other side. They had a bunch of stuff in the way. They already shut down for the day, but they let me come in here to film my car for y'all. So hats off to East Coast Body Shop here in Titusville. They did my truck too. But you can see in the corners right here, they're real common for starting to rust behind the window, and you don't know. So they're just to tape it off, paint it, then you're gonna run into rust in the future. So wanted to make sure he pulled the rear glass even and filled all those body seams. Same thing down here. They're common for rust down here too. So went ahead and filled that for me. Said can't really leave it out in the weather because I got most of it in primer. And then here's my sick nasty hood that I got. So this is a steel hood. I got it from Rock Auto. The first one came in, the hood was damaged down there. Let me tell you, Rock Auto, hats off to those. I did a claim online and printed the shipping label. As soon as the trucking company scanned the label saying that I had it picked up, they already had the new hood shipped out the very next day. So hats off to them. They're still gonna probably pull the front glass out and then just check down here, make sure there's no rust or anything, make sure the body seam's all done. Got the doors off of it because they're gonna paint. We're doing a full color change, so not sure what that color's gonna be yet. If you have any ideas for color, comment down below. But that way they'll shoot all this down the door jambs. Inside the engine compartment, we're gonna do gloss black around the engine. Yeah, guys, and I pulled all the bumpers and everything off, so they're gonna paint all down below here. Same thing with the front. Pull the whole front clips off. You see them over here, this way they can paint them separately. If you guys have any idea where to get this body tubing, it's like a double-sided tubing. I need to find it in black, but should be pretty sweet. So I got the front bezel out, so the whole front clips going. I wish I could get around to the front, but again, they were nice enough to let me in here after hours and do a video for y'all. So Try to get this one up to you guys by Friday, so you guys have it first thing in the new year, and enjoy. So we're gonna do gloss black around the engine. That way, you know, just makes it easy. You can spray a little black color down in there versus trying to paint and tape off the engine. You know, if I was doing a motor swap or something like that, you could pull the engine out, of course, and have them paint around the engine, but I don't think we're gonna get into that much work. I just don't think he's gonna go that deep into it, so we're just gonna black out around the engine bay and black out underneath the hood, and that way when you pop the hood, it'll all look good. And I said I already got the new carpet in the Cutlass, so here it is, guys. Sorry it's not done yet. I know it's been about a year now since I tore it down, took it to the first shop, and then now it's been on the second shop. I think they got it February, March of last year, so about 9 months, but just like the truck, it'll be worth it when it's done. Check out the videos on the truck. Also, you guys can check out the videos. I'll link them down below where we first tore the Cutlass down. So if you guys are new to the channel, this is my 86 Cutlass project, and I really appreciate everybody watching, appreciate all the support. Our subs were already at like almost 2,000 subscribers, so that's pretty awesome. And again, you know, if you're checking in, I got this car, I got the 97 F250, I do car reviews, try to do my own projects. I got the lifted van, it's a 96 E150 van that we lifted 2 inches and put it on like 32-inch tires, so that's pretty cool. But this one is really special to me because after my mom passed away in '94, me and my dad, we built the 87 Cutlass. Well, it was supposed to be my car, and then when I was probably 14, 15 years old, the car got stolen, stripped. These cars were really popular to steal back then. So somebody stole it, stripped it, and I always wanted another one. And I came across this one. There was the original owner, 31 years the guy had the car, super cool guy, you know, pretty much went through an adoption process on it. He sat me down in his garage, asked me what my intentions were with the car. You know, he still comes in the dealership. I told him where we're at with it, so he'll be pretty pumped up whenever it's all done, but that's kind of the story behind the car. So if you guys can relate with the car story, again, comment down below. So pretty cool. Hope it's not too echoey in here, but it's kind of nice with doors shut so you don't get any wind noise or anything. So yep, she's gonna be sweet. I got a couple color options in mind. We're gonna black out a lot of the chrome around the windows and bumpers. I already sold the other wheels that I had on it. Those chrome wheels were all flaking, so I sold those. I just got the steely wheels on it now with the beauty rings. But yeah, it should be nice when it's all done. There's my new carpet that I installed, so that's it, guys. Hope you enjoy. I think the hood's gonna look sweet. Gives me a little more clearance because with the 455 in there, it was tough because the hood would barely shut on it without hitting the hood insulation on the old hood. So I definitely wanted to go with a cowl hood. So I think it's gonna look really nice. It's not too big of a cowl hood, but it'll look still nice and classy, I guess you would say. But I always love the G-body. I'm super excited to get this one back on the road. So again, hit that thumbs up button. Please subscribe to the channel. If I can find some pictures, I'll put some pictures at the end here of the car while they were tearing it down. And then also put some pictures of the truck in there and the van that I caught this year. Kind of some highlights of 2019, moving on to 2020. Hope this year's huge. Hope this is huge for all y'all. But 2020 is gonna be the year of vision. So on the channel, I'll be here. We're gonna try to get a video out, 2 or 3 videos a week. Try to blow this channel up. I'm really inspired by It's Just a 6, Street Speed 717, all those guys, man, they're just living their dreams, building cars. It's awesome. So appreciate it again, guys. See you guys on the next video. Please hit that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't hit the subscribe button already. And then we'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a great one. See you on the next ride.
Thank you.